Party drug from Latin America has made its way onto our shores. Tusi, better known as pink cocaine, is popping up in nightclubs from coast to coast.
In this week's episode of Street Soldiers, Lisa Evers finds out why this new drug is getting so popular.
It's a designer drug with a catchy name, pink cocaine, and it's turning up in more drug busts as well as in a lawsuit against Diddy. While the name of this mystery powder's color is accurate, drug experts say there's only a small amount, if any, of cocaine in it, and there's no way to know what other drugs and chemicals are inside. Law enforcement officials say pink cocaine, which is also known as Tusi, is turning up in more drug seizures and in some cases is being trafficked by the notorious Venezuelan migrant gang Tren de Aragua. It's also marketed and trafficked in ways that make it a challenge for law enforcement since it's often sold in underground venues, says former NYPD Lieutenant Darren Porcher, who worked undercover narcotics.
A lot of that involves around informants that give police information, that avail them the ability to get into these environments, to make the observations and take effective police action against the perpetrators.
The bright-colored powder has been gaining in popularity among the nightlife set. Its swag factor went up when it was mentioned in a civil lawsuit against Sean Diddy Combs as one of the disgraced mogul's alleged drugs of choice. It's often low in price but high in risk, since users don't really know what they're ingesting, says Dr. Yalda Safai, a psychiatrist and public health expert.
Well, pink cocaine is a misnomer. The combination of the drugs are being used are not just cocaine, but rather a mix of MDMA, ketamine, even opioids such as fentanyl. So it's really a mix, and each one of them carries a significant amount of its own risk.
Regardless of how dangerous the mixture is, the bright candy color and the cheap price are appealing to many potential users. Joseph Palomar, associate professor of population health at NYU Langone, recently published a study on this popular powder. He says if it hits the hip-hop world like Molly did, we'll be hearing about it a lot more and seeing the consequences.
Prevalence appears to be increasing, but it's a pretty new drug, so we don't know how popular this drug concoction is going to be in the near future. I do think it's going to be more prevalent, though.
There's a lot more to this. We get into all of it on the next episode of Street Soldiers. I hope you'll join us Friday night at 10:30 right here on Fox 5. I'm Lisa Evers, Fox 5 News.